Akib, two man of the match in a row, special performance today. How do you define your hat trick after that, going to the third ball? How are you preparing yourself?
Alhamdulillah, first of all, thank God I contributed in the winning of my team. Getting 2 wickets, and when you are a hat trick, I remembered Almighty Allah that hopefully, inshallah, He's the one. Anything can happen, and my bowlers, they backed me, my fielders, they backed me up, and they said, just you have to bowl on the right spot, and you bowl the googly rather than bowling the leg spin, which you are almost consistent with the leg spin, but you try googly because that batsman, he won't be expecting that. So I said, okay, fine, let's try. If it's in my, fortune, I surely will get it. So Alhamdulillah, I bowled it on the right area and I got the wicket.
How worried were you this morning? It was torrential rain and the match looked in doubt.
Actually, we have to stay focused. We thought the match is not going on because, it's an important, every match is an important match and we have to win against all the sides, So we have two good matches to play against UAE and then Kuwait. So if we could, the match would have been washed away. It might be a pressure for us in the next game. But now, Alhamdulillah, as we have won, it's good to go, being confident in the other coming games.
The last match was tight as well. At one time, it looked it's going to be tough for Oman. But thanks to Bilal Khan and even your performance, how do you see Oman team going forward? The new players are coming hard to come by.
Yeah, Oman is doing really well now at the moment because all the other teams are doing well. In T20s, it's a short format. You can't expect anyone that they won't perform. Now, 1 over can change the whole game. So heads off to Bilal Khan, who did really well. That is why he is one of the top bowlers in the associate cricket, and he's been playing franchise cricket around. And many other players, young players are coming in. Power hitters have come in. Wasim Khushi, starting off really well. Then we have Rafiullah, he's a massive hitter. Myself, captain, everyone is trying to add up in the winning contribution. So that's really good. As a pair, we are doing well.
It was tough time for you with the injury, but you've come back. You're performing well. 2 player of the match. How was the time when you're not playing in the
field? That is the time when I realized that my first priority everywhere should be cricket, because before I was not that thankful to Almighty. I used to just come and enjoy cricket and just go back. I wasn't very serious about it, but when I was at the bed for 6 to 7 months, for a long time when I was out of cricket, that was when people came and they said, we love to see you at the field. You are not one roaming here and there. You are the one who have quality, who have skills, who can be something big, but you should be on the field for that. So after coming from injury, that is when I realized that this is very important for me. These 22 yards mean everything to me. So Alhamdulillah, I'm been working on my fitness, working on many things. So it's getting better. I'm very thankful to Almighty that, I've got the chance again to be on the field.
You got a hat-trick today. It was Dipendra Singh Arya getting 6 sixes. He's a good friend of yours. What do you have to say about that?
I will say, Tiger, well played, excellent, and congratulations to Nepal for winning. They started off really well. Happy New Year to Nepal, and they are lovely people. Great passion for cricket. There is no comparison of passion as compared to Nepal. And Dipendra Arya, top sixes. I thought that he might have hit sixes to some spinner or something, but I saw the video yesterday, and he was a good bowler. Kamran is a quite good bowler, decent bowler, hitting all over. It's not easy. Boundaries are big. But Alhamdulillah, on his day, he proved why he's a tiger, why he's called tiger in Nepal. That's the reason.
Oman is playing World Cup as well, and Nepal too. So how important is this? Because you're going to qualify for the Asia Cup as winners. So how important is this tournament?
See, the thing is, you don't have to expect a lot in the World Cup. You don't have to think now only. Many people ask me, what are your plans for World Cup? What do you think? See, we have to plan for each and every match. Every day we have to plan and we have to improve. So people should not expect, we are playing against top test nations. So it is a good chance for us to prove our talent, to expose, to show ourselves. But you don't say that you have to win against them. We have to try. This is cricket, and we will try our best to win. In short format, T20 is the only format where we can compete with them. So only thing is, don't take a lot of pressure about thinking from now only. Think that we have to play T20 World Cup. It's not like that. Day by day, you work on yourself. You keep working on yourself. Hopefully, when World Cup T20 comes, you will be ready for the games, inshallah.
You're having fantastic tournament, and hope it carries on. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.